Hello everyone, it's Extreme Luck 3000 with another video. There's something I'm gonna do. It's called the I forgot what it was called. It's called the Great List of Thanks. So if there's a subscriber and they make some kind of like,
Look, you like it?
well, if you think I'm just copying Stampy,
Look.
yeah,
Like
kind of am. Yeah, it's kind of good. It's really good. It's good.
It looks like a bat.
Okay. So. Oh my! I think I have 23 minutes of recording. But anyway. If someone makes like a funny comment or like some kind of comment that says like thank you, or they send me like a video that says like they sing a poem or something, they say a poem or something, the Great List of Thanks will be there. So I'm gonna shout out a name for, not literally, but I'm gonna like announce a name for someone who like makes a funny comment or something. So yeah, that's all I gotta say for now, folks. What? Oh my. Well, that's the end of this episode. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'll make another one like this. Like that one.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Whoa, this is a saber?
Oh, it flies better than I thought. Do that again. Sorry if you guys didn't see that. Goodbye.